All right, so shout out to Nkiru. That's right. Shout out to Nkiru. So thanks a lot, Nkiru, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. So we're gonna translate Nkiru's name, right? So Nkiru is a popular short version of the name Nkiruka, right? So I'm gonna do the entire name so that it all makes sense. So Nke means, it just kind of means like the, it's just kind of talking about something, like the thing, right? Nke. Iru means in front, and ka means better, or is the best, or is greater, right? So you put all that together, and Nkiruka means the future is better, or what's before me is better than what's behind me. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, basically Nkiru is the short version for that, and Nkiruka